If your gutters are full of dry leaves and debris, it can block the downpipes and cause water damage. If left unchecked, it can turn into moss that leads to rust and other damage. RYOBI's 1+ gutter and roof leaf blower is a simple, safe way to remove this problem. And you don't even have to leave the ground to do it. This specially designed leaf blower on a telescopic pole is part of the 1+ pole system, another addition to the large range of RYOBI garden tools. It adds up to 2.5 meters to your reach, so you can quickly and safely clean your roof and gutters. The blower will move most dry material. It comes with an adjustable debris shield that protects you from falling dirt and debris. The blower has 2 types of nozzles. The high-speed nozzle is ideal for clearing gutters of loose material. The extended nozzle is great for getting under gutter clips and around downpipes. Both nozzles have a scraper tip for shifting stubborn material. The pivoting head lets you angle the blower to suit your needs, and also tilts so you don't have to stand directly under the gutter. This is helpful if you have to work around plants, water tanks, or other obstacles. So to keep your gutters clear all year round without risking your safety on a ladder or up on your roof, grab a gutter and roof leaf blower, part of the 1+ pole attachment system from RYOBI.
RYOBI, a cut above.